Okay.
Hey guys, Jordan with Green Art Properties, and today we're here at Bethany Farms by Toll Brothers, which is America's luxury builder. And you guys are going to be shocked at how gorgeous it is in here. Actually, behind us, this was the wow factor. So this is why we decided to do this here, because as soon as you walk into the front door, this is what you see for their model home, and it absolutely is gorgeous. So I'm here with Jennifer Hendricks with Toll Brothers. Again, we're at Bethany Farms in Simpsonville. We are about 2 minutes from Fountain Inn, real close.
Yes.
But I want to talk to you a little bit about what you guys offer, your floor plans, your locations, your incentives, and your warranties, if you're okay with that.
Yeah, absolutely.
Cool. All right. So floor plans, basic concept. So this is luxurious. This is absolutely gorgeous. What do you guys offer specifically in this community, Bethany Farms, for layout? Like how many square feet do you have? How big are the lots? Because I know that's going to be a big
Yeah,
thing.
that's a kicker. Yes.
Do you have primary on main? Do you have lofts? Like all the little things. What tell us about your community?
We have everything that you could want. So Bethany Farms features half-acre home sites, which is awesome. So you get some space. You're not on top of each other. As far as floor plans are concerned, we offer anything from 2,000 square feet, which is our smallest ranch plan. It's a 2.5 called the Gallia.
Base price on that, just to give an idea.
603,995.
Okay. And then you can add to that as you go, so you can
Correct.
make it more expensive, but
Yes.
that's the base.
Yes,
okay.
exactly. And then next up from there is called the Shoal Plan, which is a 3.5. So each secondary bedroom has its own bathroom, which has been amazing. It's been probably our best seller out here. So it's 3,000 square feet, no upstairs, so no stairs, all one level. It's sprawling. It feels very similar to this, which is our model home, the Breakwater. It's just, to me, the open living space is larger than what this is. Next plan up from there is this particular plan called the Breakwater, which is most of your main living area is on the first floor. The only thing upstairs is going to be a loft and a bonus.
Gotcha.
I mean, a loft and a bed and bath. So
Gotcha.
you've got 3 beds down. Again, open concept. This covered porch is included.
This is awesome. And guys, we'll have videos of these, so check out our
It's beautiful.
channel. We'll have it marked. But you've got to see this kitchen. This is immaculate. But sorry, keep
No,
going.
you're good. And then the next one from this is a plan called the Watery. So it's a 2-story master on main, primary on main. That is a 3.5, 2-story great room. It's a brand new plan, 10-foot ceilings.
Oh.
Yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous. So we offered that one, and then up from there would be what we call the Park Stone. That's the monster I was telling you about. 4,600 square feet, 5 bedroom, 5.5 bath, 2-story great room. Again, 10-foot ceilings on that. It's stunning.
All right, so we'll do a video for that one for sure. What's the base price on that one?
That is lower eights.
Lower eights.
Yeah.
Okay. And then build it out however you want.
Yeah, it's been like, so we just actually started one. It hasn't come out of the ground yet, but that one is right at 1.1-ish.
Gotcha. So they added additional things. So
correct.
When you come in, you know, the base model, this is what you get, and then you can add additional what?
Yeah, so basically things like if you want an outdoor fireplace, we offer these big multi-sliding doors that open up. Interior fireplace, freestanding tubs, larger showers, laundry room cabinets, things like that would be the structural options.
Pretty customizable.
Yeah, I mean, we're not technically custom,
sure,
but we have a custom feel.
I like it.
So we have a lot of structural options where you can, you know,
so you get the luxury, but you can kind of make it your own.
Yes, and then our design center. Our design center is just state of the art with as far as like your finishings, your countertops, your cabinets, just so many beautiful
I love it.
options.
I've been through that design center a few times, and
yeah.
It's like, oh,
I know, it's almost overwhelming.
I love it.
Yeah.
Cool. All right. So locations. So if I want to build Toll Brothers and obviously Simpsonville, you guys have a couple communities in Simpsonville.
We do.
And then Fountain Inn. I know you have. What about Spartanburg, Anderson, Easley, Powdersville? Like where else are you guys?
So we are opening a new neighborhood, actually 2. So we're going in an existing neighborhood in Spartanburg called Everly. That should be opening sometime in August or September. So we're in Spartanburg, we're in Simpsonville, obviously here at Bethany Farms. We have another neighborhood not far from here called Coachman Reserve, again featuring half-acre home sites. Um,
And that's Fountain Inn.
that's actually Simpsonville.
Is it Simpsonville too? Wow.
It's in Lawrence County, but it's a Simpsonville address. Yeah.
Interesting. Okay.
And then we have West Point Gardens, which is in Piedmont. We have a new neighborhood also in Piedmont, kind of closer to Powdersville, called Waterford Point. That's opening in either August or September. 2 to 3 acre home sites there, all crawl spaces or basements. So we're really excited about that one. Then we have Hudson Point on Pelham Road in Greenville. So that's close to downtown. And we just opened another neighborhood called Cambrick Village, which butts up to Thornblade, Old Boiling Springs Road. I don't know if it's Greer or Greenville right there. I think it's Greenville. But more of like a little enclave community.
Nice.
13, I want to say, home sites. And then across the street from that, they're going to be doing 3-story townhomes.
Wow.
So
that's awesome.
Yeah.
So one thing I didn't mention prior, amenities. So what are you guys going to have in here as far as amenities? Because I know you said it's going to be really nice.
Good question. So we will be building a pool and cabana area. We do have the pool permits. We're waiting for the building permits. So it isn't up yet, but they're scheduled to start in the fall. And then we should be open for 2027. So it'll be a pool, covered cabana area, tables, little bar area, fire pit, a little area to throw cornhole. And Toll Brothers does such an excellent job with their amenities. Between landscaping and the amenity itself, it's going to be absolutely stunning. So
I love it. I look forward to seeing that.
Yeah.
So we talked about floor plans, locations, incentives. Now, I know you guys kind of vary depending on neighborhood.
Correct.
But for right now, in this current moment, in this current neighborhood, what are you guys offering as far as incentives to buyers?
So it's one of the better ones that we've had. So right now it's $30,000 in flex cash. So you can use that to take off the home, or if you want to use some of that to go towards your closing costs, you can, with the use of Toll Brothers Mortgage, which is our in-house lender. And then you also get an additional $10,000 in closing costs. So total of $45,000 right now. It does expire Sunday. It's what they call our private sales event. And then once that expires, we'll have a new one. Now, every neighborhood's a little different. Some may be less, some might be a little bit more, but every neighborhood does always offer some sort of incentive.
Love it. So final thing, warranties.
Yes.
Most builders are pretty much kind of along the same lines, but I like to make sure, because some builders offer a little bit extra, or whatever. So what do you guys offer as far as warranties go?
Yeah, so it's a 10-year limited warranty. First year, most everything's covered, other than like your appliances, your HVAC, that would be covered under the manufacturer's warranty. And then your second year, electrical and plumbing, and then 3 through 10 is structural. Within that 10-year time frame, if you decide to sell your home, if you move, it is transferable to the new buyers.
Perfect. That's awesome, guys. This is a beautiful community. I'm going to show you guys some additional things, additional floor plans and layout, and kind of the make and all of that. But thank you so much for having us. This is beautiful. Again,
I'm glad y'all came out.
As soon as I walked in, I was like, wow factor immediately.
Yeah,
so thanks so much for having us.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, we'll talk soon. Thanks.
Thank you.